Yes, to replace the idler on the 05 Mercedes-Benz E500. This is the idler, okay? Crack loose the bolt with the T50, okay? T50, once it's loose, you can try it. That's too much noise already. Yeah, it should be nice and quiet. Nope. Okay, once you crack loose that, then that's the 17 millimeter. Right under this belt, right by the tensioner. Just crack loose the belt, and this will come out quick. All right, let's use the right tool. That's it. That's the new one. That's good enough. And just gotta crank this belt back and put it on. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching.